chicken, guys. Oven chicken. And this one, the all vegetable. Yeah, vegetable. We have this one tomato, a carrot, squash, a potato. This one is bell pepper, onion, or cauliflower, guys. Then I put all buharat, all spices of Arab spices. This one. This is kusbara powder. This one paprika. Paprika. Then bell pepper. Turmeric powder. And this one, magloba powder. Magloba spices. Then I put saffron rice. I mix this one. Then I put this chicken. This is chicken. I will fry butter shoya. Butter, a little bit of butter I will fry here. I put lemon powder, okay, black pepper and salt and lemon. Then finish, fry a little bit here. I put here carrots. And guys, I put in the oven, guys. And this one large Maggi cube. I put here in the 1 glass of water. This is hot water, guys. But I put there. I dissolve the Maggi cube. Okay. I put here in the chicken. I put in the oven, guys. So I will oven this one in 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then I add olive oil here. Should not dry. Then cover the pot. Put inside the oven. Just in 45 minutes to 1 hour, guys.